Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the word speciality in English. So here we've got the script from the dictionary, and this is a fun word because it's got double word stress. So you can see a little blue mark on the left before spec, and that tells us that that is the secondary stress because it's at the bottom, which means it's slightly weaker as a stress. And you can see that the primary stress is on syllable 3, al. So that's the strongest stress, and then we've got a second slightly weaker stress on spec. So this word kind of goes up and down a bit like a roller coaster. Speciality, speciality. Okay, so we've got those 5 syllables in total with 2 stresses. So let's break it down a bit more. So to begin with, we've got spec. Now there's the sp cluster at the beginning, sp, a short e, and then this sh sound. Make sure it's a sh and not a s. And the difference is when we make the sh, there's more of the tongue that's making contact with the roof of the mouth, and we're sort of hissing the air around it. So it is similar to a s, but there's much more tongue mouth contact area, if you like. So it's really important to differentiate between those 2 sounds. If you struggle with that, check out the comments below, or rather the description below, because you'll find links to a few videos that might help you to distinguish there. So that's spec. E, nice and short, E. Al, and that's our strong part of the word, al. Nice weak schwa, D, easy, D. Nice short syllable there at the end. So let's bring all of that back together. Remember 2 stresses, speciality. Repeat after me, speciality. And there we have it orthographically, speciality. Great. I think the main issue that I hear with this word for students I've worked with is around that sh sound. I think it is quite a difficult sound for some people, and it really is about how much of your tongue you're allowing to go up to touch the top of the mouth and what shape your tongue is making. If you're only putting the tip of your tongue up there, it's going to be really hard to actually make the sh sound. And it's very hard to explain actually, because this is happening internally. A really useful thing might be to do some image searching on the internet if you find it difficult to feel this sh. Maybe have a look at some illustrations or diagrams. Do a Google image search. You can find things fairly easily that will show you a drawing of what this sh might look like. But essentially you want more contact with the top of the mouth. That's my top tip of the day. So don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment or share this with your friend. Check out the homepage, and of course you can share that with your friends too if you want to help support the channel. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.